Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is May 25th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia, with calm analysis instead of hype. Today we look at Bitcoin's bearish shift while Asian stocks hit records, a sharp enforcement wave hitting crypto in the Philippines, and a major restructuring inside the Ethereum Foundation. Bitcoin is decoupling from a clear risk-on session in Asia, and that gap is the story of the day. BTC is trading around $76,400, even as Japan's Nikkei 225 broke above 65,000 for the first time, and oil dropped more than 5% on news that the Strait of Hormuz could reopen. 10x Research warned that BTC has entered a bearish phase, flagging $76,088 as a critical pivot, and pointed to roughly $2.7 billion of U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF outflows since May 7th. On-chain analyst Darkpost added that BTC nominal demand has fallen to its lowest level this year, near negative 147,000 BTC, while a dormant whale just moved 1,650 BTC, worth about $127 million, to FalconX. For Southeast Asia investors in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia, the message is simple. When global stocks rally on geopolitics but Bitcoin refuses to join, that usually signals tired demand, and the $76,000 zone deserves close attention rather than aggressive buying. Globe Telecom, one of the country's largest telcos, has now restricted access to Polymarket after authorities flagged the platform as unlicensed for Filipino users. At the same time, the National Bureau of Investigation arrested 15 individuals in Mandaluyong tied to a crypto investment scheme that authorities are looking into, and BSP issued a fresh public warning against unauthorized crypto service providers operating in the country. The pattern matters more than any single case. Regulators are no longer focused only on offshore platforms. They are reaching down to telco-level blocks and physical arrests inside Metro Manila. For OFW families and local traders, the lesson is to stick to BSP-registered exchanges and verified channels, and to treat any platform offering guaranteed returns or aggressive referral bonuses as a serious red flag. Ethereum's most important figure is publicly stepping back from the Ethereum Foundation, and that has long-term implications for ETH holders in this region. Vitalik Buterin said the foundation is being restructured, the board is being expanded, and his own personal influence inside the organization will gradually decrease. This comes as Ethereum trades near $2,098, down roughly 1.2%, and after a stretch of weak ETH spot ETF flows that we have covered all week. The shift is not necessarily bearish. A more distributed foundation could professionalize governance and reduce key person risk, something institutional buyers in Singapore and Hong Kong have asked about for years. But in the short term, a leadership transition during a soft tape can amplify uncertainty. So for SEA investors holding ETH, this is a moment to watch staking flows, ETF activity, and developer signals, rather than chase rebounds blindly. Quick recap of today's 3 stories for Southeast Asia. 1. Bitcoin decouples. BTC near 76.4K as Asia risk-on rally lifts Nikkei and oil falls. 2. Philippines crackdown. Globe blocks, Polymarket, NBI, arrests 15, BSP warns again. 3. Ethereum reshuffle. Vitalik to reduce role as Ethereum Foundation restructures. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.